Let me show you how to create a frame around the names in Inkscape. First, text tool to type out the names, and then go to selector tool, path, object to path. Path, union, path, linked offset. Drag the dot up and down till you find the size you like. I'm happy about this. And path, object to path. Choose select the tool to drag the frame down. Choose node tool to clean up the nodes. You can hold on shift and pick a color you like. I choose dark pink and X to remove the color, only keep the stroke. I feel like it's easier to see. Now it's time to clean up the nodes. Here's the before with lots of nodes that are not necessary. Here's the after, it's more clean and makes better cut. Now you have it.